Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. We have a little bit of a Zillabeau haul. I don't think the whole package can fit in the screen right now. It's not the biggest box. It's only one new nail set that I bought. So let's open this box up real quick and get this out so I can show you what we got. I'm really excited for this. Two items. I didn't order two. Oh, it's because they charge for the insurance. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. This is a really pretty box. Okay. And then these two things come with it on the side. So this is the Fiote new art ink collection. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, I've said that I didn't really like Fiote. I've only ever tried one polish from them, and I did not love it, but I think it might have actually been like that particular color, the way it kind of worked, and that's why I didn't love it. But also, I saw this collection, and I was just like, I gotta give it a shot. So it's art inks, but they're neon, which we'll get into in a minute. And just so you know, the only thing on my nails right now is just builder gel. Yes, my nails are clean. They're just stained from prior nail art. So this is their blender. I'm guessing this is probably just alcohol. And I have no idea because their ingredients are in Korean. So I have no idea. But this is probably just alcohol. But even if it's not just alcohol, I'm sure alcohol is the main ingredient, and later on in this runs out, I'll be blending with alcohol anyway. Yep, and it smells like alcohol. That's all. It smells exactly like alcohol. So I'll put that to the side. This is their white color, their white art ink. I'm not going to open this because I have the Kokoist white already opened. And so, like, why open something when I already have the exact same item opened? So we'll just put that back in the box, and I'll put this in my back stock because, you know, you'll always need some white. Okay, now, this box has, like, a cool texture. So did these boxes. They have a really cool texture, and I think, you know, I love the way Korean companies package their products. They put so much thought into it. But when you see on Zillabeau, like the artist images, they do use some texture on some of the nails because I think that shows off the colors. And here is the display card. Oftentimes you get these display cards with Korean polishes so that you can kind of show off what you have. So we'll put that to the side. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so bright. Okay. I'm going to tip this upside down because it comes with its own little display stand. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. I am just like so excited right now. So obviously excited right now. Okay. I have some display swatches that I'm gonna use these with. Now, I don't know if I need to use these on a matte background. Oh, it separates, but that's normal for art ink. I don't think that's anything to do with like the quality of it. I think art ink just normally separates. And so you do want to shake these up. Look at these colors. Oh my god. I'm so excited. So on Zillabeau's website, you can see like what, you know, Fiote's done with the colors and how they kind of use it. So you can get some ideas. But also if you follow Fiote on Instagram, there's some really cool artists out there doing some really cool stuff with art inks. And, like, sometimes, you know, they do, like, the typical, like, art ink drip drop, you know, marbling thing. But I've also seen some of them use these as full cover polish. Just, like, in these really bright neons. And I was, like, obsessed with that idea. Because I can't get my hands on the tiny neon ice cream collection right now. They just keep getting sold out over and over. Look at all that white. I just think it's going to require a lot of mixing. That's all. Are these all fitting in the frame? Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. But yeah, I don't know if I need to use these on a matted swatch stick or just a normal one. These are so gorgeous. But we're just going to have at it, okay? We're just going to have at it, okay? All right. Let me get these all back up. Okay. They're so beautiful. Okay, let's just left to right. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I can use them as like a drop, but let's see what happens when you paint with it. Because I've seen them paint with it too. Okay, it's a little streakier than I'd like. So it's not the way I thought it would be when you paint with it. But I bet if I do a couple coats, like when they dry, I could paint with it. So cool. Let's just throw a couple drops of alcohol on and see what happens. It's a beautiful color. Oh, I don't want the pink on this because then it'll mess with it for everything else. Oh, tell me I messed this up on the first go. Yeah, awesome. I mean, I don't think it's that big of a deal. Like I said, it's only alcohol. Okay, well, clearly I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm not like an alcohol ink pro. You know what? I do have some matted nails already done. See how it paints with on matted nails. It's actually smoother with a matted nail, so I think that's probably a better bet. I know you're not supposed to technically paint with art inks. I just saw it and I was just like, oh, that looks really cool. Okay, let's try this other color. Pretty. Let me do a little blend. Oh my God. Yeah, look at that color. A little ombre. I saw, yeah, one of the videos I saw was that these were used to ombre with each other too. And they looked so nice. I wonder what would happen if I had a white background on it. Let's do this again. It's such pretty colors. I just don't exactly know how to use these thoroughly yet, but they're beautiful. Really pretty colors. Let's try this green. I love the color green in general. That is gorgeous. Oh, that's fun to be able to just like do like a side sweep type of thing. Let's blend with the blue. Pretty. It's cool. It is cool. Let me try doing a second layer of this. Oh, that took on some of the blue. I think that's some of what you have to risk when you blend. I just need to let it dry more, I think. The colors are super bright, super, super vibrant. Look at that. I wonder what will happen if I take one of these and if I color it, well, paint it white, and then put matte on it. What it would be like to use the art inks with it. This is Nail Thoughts Fresh Sheets. I get it through Kokoist. It's a good line. I like it. I probably won't be reordering it. I'll probably well, I think I might be switching to the Appraise lines. These are just so pretty. Okay. So these two colors. Let's get these. That's pretty. I think one of the things I like about art ink is that it's supposed to be imperfect. Like it's supposed to kind of have like splotches and depth to it. Okay. I need to put matte on this now. Yeah, the one thing I don't like is that when you blend, it really kind of rubs definitely into the brush. And I don't know how to avoid it if I want to do some kind of dual tone colors. But maybe it's just more about like giving each nail its own color. But no, because I've seen them like do really cool art with it. try this. Ooh, this one's tight. I'm just going to try to see what happens if I try to paint that a few times over. Okay. And let's do this purple one. Interesting. Yeah, it doesn't really allow you to paint the way it looked like in the photos. Colors are still very pretty and very vibrant. And so it's just more about like these abstract colors really going all throughout it, I think. I'm giving layers and dimension. And then every nail can almost like be its own little thing. Yeah, I don't like it as a full cover situation, but they're pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh gosh, what was... Okay. Okay, so that's the Fiote Art Ink collection. I think I need to spend more time playing with it and trying things with it, but it's really, really pretty. I think I'm not super good with art inks yet, and I just need to work on it. But these colors, they're gorgeous, and like there's just so much that like I could do with it, and I want to do with it. So yeah, that's that. And so thank you for joining me. Have a good rest of your day.